What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Architect 718 and welcome back to my channel, man. So today I'm just really doing a brush session. Alright, I wanted to do a quick brush session so y'all can see how I started changing up my angles a little bit. So you already know that my left side is my weak side, and really this top side and back here, it's all gravy. Alright, so my left side all the way from front right here, and then even a little bit in the back. You already know that's all weak, okay? And I'm working on building that. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all see my progress, y'all see what's going on with me. Y'all see me working on my weak sides. You see that I'm 6 weeks in and dipping, all right? Round of applause for the dips, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are far too kind, all right? But anyway, so I'm just gonna do a brush session for y'all today and show y'all my routine. And I'm not expecting nobody. Let's see who this is. What was that? Oh. Oh man. Whew. Your boy is hyped, son. So listen, y'all see the boxes behind me. Y'all know what time it is, man. The new CQP military style brushes. Your boy got his hands on them, man. Yes, yes. Your boy got his hands on them. So, first impressions, the packaging is top notch. I love the styling of the packaging. And just looking at it from even the side, you know, see it says the classic soft brush. This is pretty cool. And then it has some history right here on CQP, which I think is fantastic. I love this packaging. This is really, really cool. And then also the same for the soft brush. You know, just showing, see, classic brush. Soft bristle, and then it shows again, you know, the giving you a couple little historic points there. The benefit of having these two brushes is specifically related to your finishing routine when brushing. All right, so medium soft brushes are really good to start laying down your hair after you've put in a really good session with your medium brush. Then you can hit it with the medium soft and then finish off with the soft. So let's go ahead and open the packaging here. Let's take a look, and let's slide that out here. Let's put this all the way like that. Let's get that opening. Crown Quality Products, 100% Luxe boar bristle. See, this is actually really good finish here. I love the texture right here on the bristles. You can see it has a really good feel, but you can see it's a soft bristle by how easy the bristles kind of move like that. Yeah, so this is the medium soft right here. This is really, really, really good for laying down your waves after you've put in a solid brush session, all right, with your medium. So this is good right there. All right, so that's your medium soft. Let's take a look at the soft brush now. This one. Okay, so I see the contrast here. This is pretty cool. Okay, so with the medium brush, the medium soft, it's black with black bristles matching the box, whereas the soft, being that it's in this, I guess this is some shade of like maroon or something like that. This is more brown, right? So, and then you have the beige bristles here. This is really cool. Look at that. And you can see again, this is really, really soft. This is amazing to the touch, by the way. This feels really good. 100% Luxe boar bristle. So there we go, right? These are your two CQP brushes here. All right. These are your two brushes from CQP. Your boy got all the way taken care of with this one right here, man. So, I mean, the next scenes y'all gonna see me with this is just testing it out and giving y'all feedback on this. Alright y'all, so that was a really great brush session right there, man. I really like the curve brushes for adding to my existing curve collection. I think it's great. And also I love that they threw in a little extra little thing right here. This is to get hairs out of your brush. I don't know how many of y'all really worry about that, but for me that is a major thing right there. And this would be great. You know, I try to clean out the hairs between I like to keep my brushes as clean as possible, and something like this is great for that. So I love that. Also, doing a little baggie right here, man. The last thing you want, especially if you're traveling, like this is a pocket brush right here. So most likely you'll have it in your book bag, you'll have it in your pocket or something like that. And the last thing you want is the oil residue from your brush to get onto your other stuff. So you just drop it in something like this, boom, seal that up like so, and carry that around like that, man. It's all protected and you don't have to worry about oil residue getting on your stuff, man. So yeah, I really like this. Really good brush to continue to add to my collection. As for the militaries, these joints are fire. All right, these brushes right here, these right here, fire. I really love the feel of these brushes, man. Like this is really cool right here, man. I would love to see what a medium or a hard brush in this style would feel like. I'm definitely curve brush gang because I love how curve brushes hug your waves, like especially at certain angles. But something about the feel of these brushes, man, I really like these. Alright, so yeah, man, it's just my initial review on them. Quick brush session, just picked them up and whatnot. If you like what you see, definitely hit the like button, leave a comment, follow your boy on Instagram. I am Architect718, link in the description below. Subscribe to this channel, put on post notifications. And until next time, I see y'all. Peace.